The JBL PartyBox Ultimate is a powerhouse made for those who live for music, energy, and unforgettable parties. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Designed with JBL's signature Pro Sound, this massive 1100-watt speaker fills any space with crystal-clear highs, deep bass, and room-shaking power that you can both hear and feel. Equipped with Dolby Atmos, the PartyBox Ultimate delivers immersive 3D audio that surrounds you from every angle. Whether you're in a backyard, a living room, or an open venue, it easily covers an area as large as 2 basketball courts, turning any event into a full concert experience. What truly makes it stand out is its incredible light show. With multi-dimensional effects including starry night visuals, strobes, color trails, and projected patterns, it transforms any space into a vibrant dance floor. All lighting and sound settings can be customized through the JBL One app or simple top panel controls, so you're always in charge of the mood. Connectivity is effortless. Stream your favorite playlists in high definition over Wi-Fi, or switch to Bluetooth for quick pairing when you're on the move. And the best part? Your music never stops even when you take a call or browse your phone. For performers, the PartyBox Ultimate is a dream setup. With dual microphone and guitar inputs, you can host karaoke nights, jam sessions, or live performances with professional-grade sound. You can even connect multiple JBL speakers together for massive, synchronized audio that fills every corner of your party. Built for portability and durability, it features sturdy wheels, an easy grip handle, and an IPX4 splashproof design, so rain, spills, or movement won't slow you down. It's made to go wherever the celebration takes you. In summary, the JBL PartyBox Ultimate combines 1100 watts of booming Pro Sound, immersive Dolby Atmos, vibrant light effects, and full wireless freedom in one sleek, portable design. It's not just a speaker, it's a complete party experience. You can find the link to this product in the description below.